وما أرسلنا في قرية من نذير إلا قال مترفوها إنا بما أرسلتم به كافرون.
We never sent a warner to any town, but its wealthy ones said, "We disbelieve in the message you've brought."
وقالوا نحن أكثر أموالا وأولادا وما نحن بمعذبين.
They always said, "We have more wealth and children than you have, and we shall not be chastised."
قل إن ربي يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء ويقدر ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
O Prophet, say to them, "My Lord grants provision abundantly to whomsoever He pleases, and straightens it for whomsoever He pleases. But most people do not know this.
وما أموالكم ولا أولادكم بالتي تقربكم عندنا زلفى إلا من آمن وعمل صالحا فأولئك لهم جزاء الضعف بما عملوا وهم في الغرفات آمنون.
It is not your riches nor your children that make you near station to us, except for him who has faith and acts righteously. It is they who will receive double the recompense for their deeds. They shall live in lofty mansions in perfect peace.
والذين يسعون في آياتنا معاجزين أولئك في العذاب محضرون.
As for those who work against our signs so as to frustrate them, they shall be arraigned into the chastisement.
قل إن ربي يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء من عباده ويقدر له وما أنفقتم من شيء فهو يخلفه وهو خير الرازقين.
Say, O Prophet, verily, my Lord grants provision abundantly to whomsoever He pleases, and straightens it for whomsoever He pleases. Whatever you spend, He will replace it. He is the best of all providers.
ويوم يحشرهم جميعا ثم يقول للملائكة أهؤلاء إياكم كانوا يعبدون.
And on the day when He will muster them all and will ask the angels, "Are they the ones who worshipped you?"
قالوا سبحانك أنت ولينا من دونهم بل كانوا يعبدون الجن أكثرهم بهم مؤمنون.
They will reply, "Glory to you, you are our protector, not they. Nay, they rather used to worship the jinn. Most of them believe in them."
فاليوم لا يملك بعضكم لبعض نفعا ولا ضرا ونقول للذين ظلموا ذوقوا عذاب النار التي كنتم بها تكذبون.
Today none of you has the power to benefit or harm another, and we shall say to the evildoers, Taste now the chastisement of the fire, which you used to deny, calling it a lie.
وإذا تتلى عليهم آياتنا بينات قالوا ما هذا إلا رجل يريد أن يصدكم عما كان يعبد آباؤكم وقالوا ما هذا إلا إفك مفترى وقال الذين كفروا للحق لما جاءهم إن هذا إلا سحر مبين.
When our clear signs are rehearsed to them, they say, "This is a person who wants to turn you away from the deities whom your ancestors worshipped." They say, "This is nothing but an invented falsehood." And when the truth came to the unbelievers, they declared, "This is nothing but plain sorcery."
وما آتيناهم من كتب يدرسونها وما أرسلنا إليهم قبلك من نذير.
Whereas we gave them no books that they could study, nor sent to them any warner before you.
وكذب الذين من قبلهم وما بلغوا معشار ما آتيناهم فكذبوا رسلي فكيف كان نكير.
Those who went before them also denounced Allah's messengers as liars. They have not attained even a tenth of what we had given them. But when they rejected my messengers, calling them liars, how terrible was my chastisement.
قل إنما أعظكم بواحدة أن تقوموا لله مثنى وفرادا ثم تتفكروا ما بصاحبكم من جنة إن هو إلا نذير لكم بين يدي عذاب شديد.
Say to them, O Prophet, I give you but one counsel. Stand up for heaven's sake, singly and in pairs, and then think, what is it in your companion, to wit Muhammad, that could be deemed as madness? He is nothing but a warner, warning you before the coming of a grievous chastisement.
قل ما سألتكم من أجر فهو لكم إن أجري إلا على الله وهو على كل شيء شهيد.
Say to them, whatever recompense I might ask of you, it shall be yours. My recompense is with Allah, and He is a witness over everything.
قل إن ربي يقذف بالحق علام الغيوب.
Say to them, my Lord hurls down the truth upon me. He knows fully all that lies beyond the range of perception.
قل جاء الحق وما يبدئ الباطل وما يعيد.
Say, the truth has come, and falsehood can neither originate nor recreate anything.
قل إن ضللت فإنما أضل على نفسي وإن اهتديت فبما يوحي إلي ربي إنه سميع قريب.
Say, If I go astray, then the hurt of straying will come only upon me. But if I am rightly guided, that is only because of the revelation that my Lord makes to me. He is all-hearing, ever nigh.
ولو ترى إذ فزعوا فلا فوت وأخذوا من مكان قريب.
If you could only see when the unbelievers will go about in a state of terror, they will have no escape and will be seized from a place near at hand.
وقالوا آمنا به وأنى لهم التناغص من مكان بعيد.
They will then say, "We believe in it, but whence can they attain it from so far off a place?"
وقد كفروا به من قبل ويقذفون بالغيب من مكان بعيد.
They disbelieved in it before and indulged in conjectures from far away.
وحيل بينهم وبين ما يشتهون كما فعل بأشياعهم من قبل إنهم كانوا في شك مريب.
A barrier will be placed between them and what they desire, as was done with the likes of them before. Surely they were in a disquieting doubt.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
الحمد لله فاطر السماوات والأرض جاعل الملائكة رسلا أولي أجنحة مثنى وثلاث ورباع يزيد في الخلق ما يشاء إن الله على كل شيء قدير.
All praise be to Allah, the fashioner of the heavens and earth, who appointed angels as his message bearers, having 2, 3, 4 wings. He adds to his creation whatever he pleases. Verily, Allah has power over everything.
ما يفتح الله للناس من رحمة فلا ممسك لها وما يمسك فلا مرسل له من بعده وهو العزيز الحكيم.
Whatever mercy Allah accords to people, none can withhold, and whatever He withholds, no other will be able to release after Him. He is most mighty, most wise.
يا أيها الناس اذكروا نعمة الله عليكم هل من خالق غير الله يرزقكم من السماء والأرض لا إله إلا هو فأنى تؤفكون.
O people, remember Allah's favor upon you. Is there any creator apart from Allah who provides you your sustenance out of the heavens and earth? There is no God but He. Whither are you then being misdirected?
وَإِن يُكَذِّبُوكَ فَقَدْ كُذِّبَتْ رُسُلٌ مِّن قَبْلِكَ وَإِلَى اللَّهِ تُرْجَعُ الْأُمُورُ.
O Prophet, there is nothing novel in it. If they cry lies to you, messengers before you were also cried lies to. To Allah shall all matters be sent back.
يا أيها الناس إن وعد الله حق فلا تغرنكم الحياة الدنيا ولا يغرنكم بالله الغرور.
O people, assuredly Allah's promise is true. So let the life of the world not delude you, and let not the deluder delude you concerning Allah.
إن الشيطان لكم عدو فاتخذوه عدوا إنما يدعو حزبه ليكونوا من أصحاب السعير.
Surely Satan is an enemy to you. Therefore do take him as an enemy. He calls his followers to his way so that they may be among the inmates of the fire.
الذين كفروا لهم عذاب شديد والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير.
A severe chastisement lies in store for those that disbelieve, but there's pardon and a great reward for those that believe and work righteous deeds.
أفمن زين له سوء عمله فرآه حسنا فإن الله يضل من يشاء ويهدي من يشاء فلا تذهب نفسك عليهم حسرات إن الله عليم بما يصنعون.
How awful is the straying of the person for whom his evil deed has been embellished so that it looks fair to him. The fact is that Allah causes whomsoever He will to fall into error and shows the right way to whomsoever He will. So, O Prophet, let not your life go to waste sorrowing over them. Allah is well aware of all that they do.
والله الذي أرسل الرياح فتثير سحابا فسقناه إلى بلد ميت فأحيينا به الأرض بعد موتها كذلك النشور.
It is Allah who sends forth winds, which then set the clouds in motion, which we drive to some dead land, giving a fresh life to earth after it had become dead. Such will be the resurrection of the dead.
من كان يريد العزة فلله العزة جميعا إليه يصعد الكلم الطيب والعمل الصالح يرفعه والذين يمكرون السيئات لهم عذاب شديد ومكر أولئك هو يبور.
He who seeks glory, let him know that all glory belongs to Allah alone. To Him do good words go up, and righteous action uplifts them. But those who contrive evil deeds, a severe punishment lies in store for them, and their contriving will come to naught.
والله خلقكم من تراب ثم من نطفة ثم جعلكم أزواجا وما تحمل من أنثى ولا تضع إلا بعلمه وما يعمر من معمر ولا ينقص من عمره إلا في كتاب إن ذلك على الله يسير.
Allah created you from dust, then from a drop of sperm, then He made you into pairs. No female conceives nor delivers a child except with his knowledge. None is given a long life, nor is any diminished in his life, but it is written in a book. Surely that is quite easy for Allah.
وما يستوي البحران هذا عذب فرات سائغ شرابه وهذا ملح أجاج ومن كل تأكلون لحما طريا وتستخرجون حلية تلبسونها وترى الفلك فيه مواخر لتبتغوا من فضله ولعلكم تشكرون.
The two masses of water are not alike. The one is sweet, sates thirst, and is pleasant to drink from, while the other is salt, bitter on the tongue. Yet from both you eat fresh meat and extract from it ornaments that you wear, and you see ships cruising through it, that you may seek of his bounty and be thankful to him.
يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل وسخر الشمس والقمر كل يجري لأجل مسمى ذلكم الله ربكم له الملك والذين تدعون من دونه ما يملكون من قطمير.
He causes the night to phase into the day, and the day into the night, and he has subjected the sun and the moon, each running its course to an appointed term. That is Allah, your Lord. To him belongs the kingdom, but those whom you call upon apart from Allah possess not so much as the skin of a date stone.
إن تدعوهم لا يسمعوا دعاءكم ولو سمعوا ما استجابوا لكم ويوم القيامة يكفرون بشرككم ولا ينبئك مثل خبير.
If you call upon them, they cannot hear your prayer, and if they hear it, they cannot answer it. On the day of resurrection, they will disown you for associating others with Allah in His divinity. No one can inform you of the truth save the All-Aware.
يا أيها الناس أنتم الفقراء إلى الله والله هو الغني الحميد.
O people, it is you who stand in need of Allah. As for Allah, He is self-sufficient, immensely praiseworthy.
إن يشأ يذهبكم ويأتي بخلق جديد.
If He wishes, He can remove you and put in your place a new creation.
وما ذلك على الله بعزيز.
That surely is not difficult for Allah.
ولا تزر وازرة وزر أخرى وإن تدع مثقلة إلى حملها لا يحمل منه شيء ولو كان ذا قربى إنما تنذر الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب وأقاموا الصلاة ومن تزكى فإنما يتزكى لنفسه وإلى الله المصير.
No one can bear another's burden. If a heavily laden one should call another to carry his load, none of it shall be carried by the other, even though he be an heir of kin. O Prophet, you can warn only those who fear their Lord without seeing Him and establish prayer. Whoever purifies himself does so to his own good. To Allah is the final return.
وما يستوي الأعمى والبصير.
The blind and the seeing are not alike.
ولا الظلمات ولا النور.
Nor darkness and light.
ولا الظل ولا الحرور.
Nor cool shade and torrid heat.
وما يستوي الأحياء ولا الأموات إن الله يسمع من يشاء وما أنت بمسمع من في القبور.
Nor are the living and the dead alike. Allah makes to hear whomsoever He wishes, but you, O Prophet, cannot cause to hear those who are in their graves.
إن أنت إلا نذير.
You are no more than a warner.
إنا أرسلناك بالحق بشيرا ونذيرا وإن من أمة إلا خلا فيها نذير.
We have sent you with the truth to proclaim good news and to warn. Never has there been a nation but a warner came to it.
وإن يكذبوك فقد كذب الذين من قبلهم جاءتهم رسلهم بالبينات وبالزبر وبالكتاب المنير.
If they give the lie to you now, those that went before them also gave the lie to their messengers when they came to them with clear proofs, with scriptures, and with the illuminating book.
ثم أخذت الذين كفروا فكيف كان نكير.
Then I seized those who denied the truth, and how terrible was my punishment.
ألم تر أن الله أنزل من السماء ماء فأخرجنا به ثمرات مختلفا ألوانها ومن الجبال جدد بيض وحمر مختلف ألوانها وغرابيب سود.
Do you not see that Allah sent down water from the sky with which we brought forth fruits of diverse hues? In the mountains there are white and red of diverse hues and pitchy black.
ومن الناس والدواب والأنعام مختلف ألوانه كذلك إنما يخشى الله من عباده العلماء إن الله عزيز غفور.
And human beings too, and beasts and cattle, diverse are their hues. From among His servants it is only those who know that fear Allah. Verily, Allah is most mighty, most forgiving.
إن الذين يتلون كتاب الله وأقاموا الصلاة وأنفقوا مما رزقناهم سرا وعلانية يرجون تجارة لن تبور.
Surely those who recite the book of Allah and establish prayer and spend privately and publicly out of what we have provided them look forward to a trade that shall suffer no loss.
ليوفيهم أجورهم ويزيدهم من فضله إنه غفور شكور.
a trade in which they have invested their all, so that Allah may pay them their wages in full, and may add to them out of His bounty. He is most forgiving, most appreciative.
والذي أوحينا إليك من الكتاب هو الحق مصدقا لما بين يديه إن الله بعباده لخبير بصير.
O Prophet, the book we have revealed to you is the truth, confirming the books that came before it. Verily, Allah is well aware of His servants and sees everything.
ثم أورثنا الكتاب الذين اصطفينا من عبادنا فمنهم ظالم لنفسه ومنهم مقتصد ومنهم سابق بالخيرات بإذن الله ذلك هو الفضل الكبير.
Then we bequeathed the book to those of our servants that we chose. Now some of them wrong themselves, and some follow the medium course, and some by Allah's leave vie with each other in acts of goodness. That is the great bounty.
جنات عدن يدخلونها يحلون فيها من أساور من ذهب ولؤلؤا ولباسهم فيها حرير.
They shall enter the everlasting gardens, shall be adorned with bracelets of gold and with pearls, and their apparel therein shall be silk.
وقالوا الحمد لله الذي أذهب عنا الحزن إن ربنا لغفور شكور.
They will say, all praise be to Allah, who has taken away all sorrow from us. Surely our Lord is most forgiving, most appreciative.
الذي أحلنا دار المقامة من فضله لا يمسنا فيها نصب ولا يمسنا فيها لغوب.
The Lord, who out of His bounty has made us dwell in an abode wherein no toil nor fatigue affects us.
والذين كفروا لهم نار جهنم لا يقضى عليهم فيموتوا ولا يخفف عنهم من عذابها كذلك نجزي كل كفور.
As for those who disbelieved, the fire of hell awaits them. There they shall not be finished off and die, nor will the torment of hell be lightened for them. Thus do we requite every thankless being.
وهم يصطرخون فيها ربنا أخرجنا نعمل صالحا غير الذي كنا نعمل أولم نعمركم ما يتذكر فيه من تذكر وجاءكم النذير فذوقوا فما للظالمين من نصير.
They will cry out in hell and say, Our Lord, let us out so that we may act righteously, different from what we did before. They will be told, Did we not grant you an age long enough for anyone to take heed, if he had wanted to take heed? Besides, there came a warner to you, so have a taste of the torment now. None may come to the help of the wrongdoers.
إن الله عالم غيب السماوات والأرض إنه عليم بذات الصدور.
Surely Allah knows the unseen in the heavens and the earth. He even knows the secrets hidden in people's breasts.
هو الذي جعلكم خلائف في الأرض فمن كفر فعليه كفره ولا يزيد الكافرين كفرهم عند ربهم إلا مقتا ولا يزيد الكافرين كفرهم إلا خسارا.
It is He who made you vicegerents in the earth. So whoever disbelieves will bear the burden of his unbelief. The unbelievers' unbelief adds nothing but Allah's wrath against them. The unbelievers' unbelief adds nothing but their own loss.
قل أرأيتم شركاءكم الذين تدعون من دون الله أروني ماذا خلقوا من الأرض أم لهم شرك في السماوات أم آتيناهم كتابا فهم على بينة منه بل إن يعد الظالمون بعضهم بعضا إلا غرورا.
Say to them, O Prophet, have you ever seen those of your associates upon whom you call apart from Allah? Show me what have they created in the earth. Or do they have any partnership with Allah in the heavens? Or have we given them a book so that they have a clear proof for associating others with Allah in His divinity? Nay, what these wrongdoers promise each other is nothing but delusion.
إن الله يمسك السماوات والأرض أن تزولا ولئن زالتا إن أمسكهما من أحد من بعده إنه كان حليما غفورا.
Surely Allah holds the heavens and the earth, lest they should be displaced there. For if they were displaced, none would be able to hold them after Him. Surely He is most forbearing, most forgiving.
وأقسموا بالله جهد أيمانهم لئن جاءهم نذير ليكونن أهدى من إحدى الأمم فلما جاءهم نذير ما زادهم إلا نفورا.
Swearing by Allah their strongest oaths, they claim that if a warner came to them, they would be better guided than any other people. But when a warner did come to them, his coming only increased their aversion to the truth.
استكبارا في الأرض ومكر السيء ولا يحيق المكر السيء إلا بأهله فهل ينظرون إلا سنة الأولين فلن تجد لسنة الله تبديلا ولن تجد لسنة الله تحويلا.
They began to wax even more proud on earth and contrived evil designs, although the contriving of designs only overtakes their authors. Are they waiting then for anything except what happened to the nations before them? You shall not find any change in the way of Allah, and you shall not find anything that can ever alter the way of Allah.
أولم يسيروا في الأرض فينظروا كيف كان عاقبة الذين من قبلهم وكانوا أشد منهم قوة وما كان الله ليعجزه من شيء في السماوات ولا في الأرض إنه كان عليما قديرا.
Have they not journeyed in the earth to behold the end of those who went before them, though they were stronger than them in might? Nothing in the heavens nor on earth can frustrate him in the least. He is all-knowing, all-powerful.
ولو يؤاخذ الله الناس بما كسبوا ما ترك على ظهرها من دابة ولكن يؤخرهم إلى أجل مسمى فإذا جاء أجلهم فإن الله كان بعباده بصيرا.
If Allah were to take people to task for their deeds, He would not leave any living creature on earth, but He grants them respite to an appointed time. When the appointed time comes to an end, surely Allah fully observes His servants.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
Yasin.
Yasin.
والقرآن الحكيم.
By the wise Quran.
إنك لمن المرسلين.
You are truly among the messengers.
على صراط مستقيم.
On a straight way.
تنزيل العزيز الرحيم.
And this Quran is a revelation from the most mighty, the most compassionate.
لتنذر قوما ما أنذر آباؤهم فهم غافلون.
So that you may warn a people whose ancestors were not warned before, wherefore they are heedless.
لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون.
Surely most of them merit the decree of chastisement, so they do not believe.
إنا جعلنا في أعناقهم أغلالا فهي إلى الأذقان فهم مقمحون.
We have put fetters around their necks, which reach up to their chins, so that they are standing with their heads upright.
وجعلنا من بين أيديهم سدا ومن خلفهم سدا فأغشيناهم فهم لا يبصرون.
And we have put a barrier before them and a barrier behind them and have covered them up so they are unable to see.
وسواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون.
It is all the same for them whether you warn them or do not warn them, for they shall not believe.
إن إنما تنذر من اتبع الذكر وخشي الرحمن بالغيب فبشره بمغفرة وأجر كريم.
You can warn only him who follows the admonition and fears the merciful Lord without seeing him. Give such a one good tidings of forgiveness and a generous reward.
إنا نحن نحيي الموتى ونكتب ما قدموا وآثارهم وكل شيء أحصيناه في إمام مبين.
We shall surely raise the dead to life, and we record what they did and the traces of their deeds that they have left behind. We have encompassed that in a clear book.
واضرب لهم مثلا أصحاب القرية إذ جاءها المرسلون.
Recite to them as a case in point the story of the people of the town when the messengers came to them.
إذ أرسلنا إليهم اثنين فكذبوهما فعززنا بثالث فقالوا إنا إليكم مرسلون.
We sent to them 2 messengers, and they rejected both of them as liars. Then we strengthened them with a 3rd messenger. They said, "We have been sent to you as messengers."
قالوا ما أنتم إلا بشر مثلنا وما أنزل الرحمن من شيء إن أنتم إلا تكذبون.
The people of the town said, "You are only human beings like ourselves, and the merciful Lord has revealed nothing. You are simply lying."
قالوا ربنا يعلم إنا إليكم لمرسلون.
The messenger said, "Our Lord knows that we have indeed been sent to you.
وما علينا إلا البلاغ المبين.
And our duty is no more than to clearly convey the message."
قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم لئن لم تنتهوا لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم منا عذاب أليم.
The people of the town said, "We believe you are an evil omen for us. If you do not desist, we will stone you, or you will receive a grievous chastisement from us."
قالوا طائركم معكم أئن ذكرتم بل أنتم قوم مسرفون.
The messengers replied, "Your evil omen is with you. Are you saying this because you were asked to take heed? The truth is that you are a people who have exceeded all bounds."
وجاء من أقصى المدينة رجل يسعى قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين.
In the meantime, a man came running from the far end of the town, saying, "My people, follow the messengers.
اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون.
Follow those who do not ask any recompense from you and are rightly guided."